So this is for both algebra and geometry. What we're going to do today is we just have a work day in class here. And work at home. Get caught up on stuff. Those of you that are coming in and trying to get everything done in class, it's working for a couple of you, but for most of it, you're falling farther and farther behind, and you've got to get some tests in. Midterm is tomorrow. I want to offer something for all y'all. Tomorrow, Friday, if you need a test, first of all, you can come in and take tests tomorrow. You just need to let us know first. Let us know first. Don't just appear. Okay, so let us know if you can come in and take a test. Or if you would like to do an interview, I will again come into my Google Meets and I'll throw some problems on the board and get you working on those, and we can maybe get some assessments and tests in that way. So if either Wednesday or Thursday you didn't get your assessment in, but really want to, get up to my Google Meet on Friday, and we'll see if we can't get some problems done that way. You won't have to have your camera on, so I'll let you do it like I make sure you don't shoot and stuff like that, but we'll shoot something like that as well if it's still some stuff. So, work day today, get caught up. We're halfway through the trimester. If you're on passing right now, you're digging yourself a hole, and I will always take stuff. Tests are available today, tests are available next week, they're available the last week of the trimester. But you gotta get the homework done, and don't dig yourself too deep in the hole. I'm there for you, I'll help you out as best I can, but if you're falling behind, you've got to spend some time doing stuff at home, okay? We'll be working in here, doing some tests, just like we did yesterday, and if you're at home, get caught up on homework, make sure you do the attendance, and I'll see you in class next week.